Hi to everyone. I want to focus on the different types of data models in DBMS. Before starting this topic, everyone please connect with my channel. Who haven't subscribed, please subscribe first and then listen what I'm saying. So data models plays an important role in DBMS. So organization of data can be performed based on this concept. So for this, there are 8 types of data models in DBMS. First one is relational model, second one hierarchical model, network model, object-oriented model, entity relationship model, object relational model, document model, graph model. You already know that what is DBMS. In the previous shot, I mentioned on DBMS. What is DBMS? How the organization of data can be performed. So, first of all, you need to understand the technical term, table, rows, and columns. You have to divide the table into the number of rows and columns. In this, you have to identify the attributes and the primary key. I want to discuss these things in detailed way with examples in the upcoming lectures. Relational model. What is relational model? Relational model is you have to obtain the relationship between the rows and columns that is present in table. You have to obtain the relation. Okay. Next, hierarchical model. Hierarchical model means it is tree-like structure which is having only one parent and many children, and it can be explained as one-to-many relationship. Hierarchical model mainly focus on the structure, that is structure of data can be obtained. It is always ensured to maintain strict relationship with the only one parent and many children. Where when is network model, the main purpose of network model is to ensure the advanced concept of hierarchical model. In this, you can have many children and many parents. That's why it is explained as many to many relationship. Next, coming to the object-oriented model. The main concept of object-oriented model is to ensure the number of object-oriented concepts like abstraction, encapsulation, polymorphism, data binding, and encapsulation. And these concepts can be explained to draw the relationship between the entities and attributes. And coming to the entity relationship model. Entity relationship model is the diagram that is used to draw for any object. And in this current model, you have to obtain the relationship between the entity and attributes. It is mainly focused on the key, primary key. The only unique attribute can be identified. No duplicate entities will be obtained. So for this reason, you need to draw entity relationship model. Everything can be explained in the upcoming lectures in this channel. First of all, you need to understand the theory concept. That's why I'm focusing on this topic. Next, object relationship model. The main purpose of object relational model is to obtain the relationship between the number of object. It determines the behavior of the object. So in this, you need to draw a relationship between the number of objects. And finally, I want to say in object relations model, relations can be obtained between the number of objects based on the attributes. And next, document model. Document model is used to focus on the database documentation. If we have good documentation and whenever any customer wants and we want to search in the database by referring to the document, then you can easily interpret the data. And here you need to maintain the set of organized data. If suppose we have unstructured data and semi-structured data, then what we have to do? We have to make it more concise based on the proper documentation. And next one is a graph model. Graph model consists of the number of nodes. Then here the number of nodes and edges can be obtained. And here you need to understand the tree-like structure only, but it is organized into the number of nodes with the graph. So if we have the concise graph, then you can represent the nodes and their edges. So nodes represent the entity and edges represent the relationship between the nodes. Okay, this is the important one, and I have focused on the types of data models in DBMS. I hope this information brings you more clear. Okay. Thank you for watching, and whoever did not subscribe, please subscribe.